Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to change color of your shirt in Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com and it will lead you to a homepage of Canva website. On the top right corner, you can see create a design button. Click on it and choose your required template. Now first of all, upload your desired photo from the uploads option here on the left side. Here as an example, I am using the photo from the element. Now after you choose your desired photo, you can see this duplicate option on the top. Click on it and it will duplicate the photo. Now of the second photo, you can see this edit image option. Click on it and simply remove the background by clicking here. Now after that, click on this magic eraser and simply erase this hand and the head of this man. Now after you are done, simply overlay this picture into the first picture, and here you can see this duotone option. Click on it and change the color as of your preference. Here I am choosing this one, and following this simple and easy step, you can now easily change the color of your shirt in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.